Yo, go to thecyclekit.com. Yo, get some kits for your boy. Support your boy. I appreciate it. Love y'all. So this beat right here is like a church anthem, or basically like a spiritual anthem. I just took some church type chords or whatever, messed around with them, and came out with this. I hope you enjoy. Y'all go to thecyclekit.com. Support your boy. Yo, I got gospel progressions. I got all type of progressions. I got drums. I got samples. You want it? I got it. I make some of the best kits on the planet.